Hey, this is Angie. It is day 5 now of our 12 Days of Fitness Challenge. So you're over a third of the way through. Just hang in there. So today we've got tuck jumps. We'll do 5 tuck jumps and then go back through all those other daily exercises, just adding them all on. All right, here we go. So with the sprints today, I'm just gonna use the room instead of the treadmill. Same thing though, 20 seconds on and then 20-second recovery. I'm just gonna do 1 in here today just to show you, but you need to do 4. All right, get ready and hit it. And then recovery jog. All right, so 4 of those. Now, side planks. Ready? 3. Other side. Back kickers, 20. High knees. Butt kickers. Last one on knees. Okay, flutter kicks for a minute. Again, I'm not into the full minute, but 1 minute. Last thing today, day 6 is coming.